67 Woodrow virtual tour. We have 2 units here. Both are 2-bedroom. One has a dining room, the other one does not. They both have laundry, and they've all been freshly updated. You do get one of the parking spots here. Each unit gets 1 parking spot in the garage. So let's go inside. So here's the first unit, the biggest unit. You got gas, cooking, you got a lot of storage here. This is your kitchen. Your laundry's downstairs there in the basement, so you have a separate laundry than the upstairs. Refrigerator is included. You have a nice living room here. So you can see nice high ceilings in this particular unit. Here's the first bedroom. So newer windows. It's going to save you money on utilities. And you also have this is kind of a dining room, family room. This is your living room. You have a front exit here. So you can see here you have not only the vinyl flooring, but again, the nice high ceilings. Very nice unit. And here's the second bedroom back here and the bathroom, which has been a new toilet installed there. So you're all good there. And here's the other bedroom. It's carpeted, and again, new windows, ceiling fan. Very, very nice place. So this is the first unit. And again, you have your own separate laundry in the basement. The second unit is upstairs. It's a little bit smaller. It's minus a dining room. Let's take a look at that. So this unit has one basic living area. All new blinds, and again, new windows. Very nice. And this one also has high ceilings. Here's one of the bedrooms. These are bigger bedrooms upstairs. If you want bigger bedrooms, then you'll want the upstairs unit. And here's the other unit in here. See, nice big unit. Here's your bathroom. Here, again, a new toilet. Here's your washer and dryer area, so that's all there. So that's all there, so we got that. And there's your kitchen. New floor. You got gas cooking, and you also have a refrigerator. Very private, nice area. So this is your upstairs unit. Both of these are for rent. If you have any questions, come by and look. Thanks. It's your virtual tour.